Good morning, students of class 12. As we have already revised chapter 1 and chapter 7, so we are today discussing about the pattern of your paper, how you are going to do. It will be 1 marks, 2 marks, and 3 marks if one question. You have to type and answer it. Short question type can be there. Name the person, the name the event, or dates question, full forms. These all type questions can be there. So let us now come back to the revision procedure of the World War II only, as we have already completed the lesson. So we are only coming to the Hitler's foreign policies. Why he entered into foreign policy? His main aim was to destroy the Versailles Treaty. He also wanted to build up the army. He wanted to recover the lost territories and bring all the Germans inside. The boycott of disarmament conference was one of the cause. German-Polish pact we have already discussed. Plebiscite in Saar. According to Treaty of Versailles, the Saar region was detached with Germany, and thus the occupied Saar region exploited the resources of the region. For long 15 years, it was clearly laid down in the Treaty of Versailles that the future of Saar region would be decided by the plebiscite to be held after January 1935. So Nazis then interfered into Saar region and the propaganda in favor of Germany on 13th January 1935. So German intervention in Spanish Civil War of 1936. Spain had a republican form of government which was moving towards communism. General Franco then organized a revolt to save the country from the communists. Thus broke out a terrible civil war there between the pro-communist republican government and the pro-fascist Franco's army. Then comes capture of Rhineland. In capture of Rhineland, I have given you note also. You can read those. And that much long question will not come, but in your exam, short questions will come. In 1936, Hitler concluded a pact with Japan. What was that pact? Anti-Comintern Pact. Annexation of Austria. What do you understand by the term Anschluss? That you have to study. Anschluss term, what do you understand? So Hitler wanted the union known as the Anschluss. So on 25th July 1934, a band of Austrian Nazis attacked the Austrian Chancellor Dollfuss, who subsequently died as a result of the attack, and Italy was regarded for it. So Austria as a buffer state between her and Germany, and accordingly guaranteed its independence. When the Austrian Nazis attacked Austrian Chancellor Dollfuss, Italy sent 3 battalions of Italian force there to suppress the insurgents. The Nazi attempt failed to capture the power. Hitler strongly denounced his complicity with the incident. When Hitler saw that his intervention in Spain had not been resisted by the powers, he came forward to fulfill his plan of the union of Austria with Germany. Thus, Nazi agitation was encouraged with Austria, and Austrian Chancellor was compelled to agree to conduct foreign affairs. So it is an important one for 6 marks and all big questions, though this time examination it is not coming, but you study these notes. Intervention in Czechoslovakia and final occupation 1939. So according to Versailles Treaty, a new state of Czechoslovakia was created, comprising the Austrian territories of Moravia and Silesia and Bohemia. So this region had a mixed population such as Germans, Slovaks, Magyars and Poles. The Sudeten Germans were highly conscious of their German blood. Hitler demanded that Sudeten should be handed over to Germany. Hitler then encouraged and instigated the Sudeten Germans to launch a violent agitation under his leadership. So in this you can understand that how in this situation the German Prime Minister Chamberlain had entered into the agreeing of the negotiation done with Hitler, the demand of the Hitler. So we can tell that from this point of time only Chamberlain has started the policy of appeasement. He had adopted the policy of appeasement. So German attack on Poland came then. What happened after Munich inspired Hitler now demanded the city of Danzig for construction of the German highway across the Polish corridor. The Polish government naturally refused to consider the German demand on basis of Anglo-French guarantee to protect Poland. So the British Prime Minister Chamberlain now gave up his policy of appeasement and declared that Britain would help Poland in case of any German attack. In this situation, Chamberlain wanted Russia to his side and started negotiations with Russia. While negotiations were going on, Russia and Germany signed a non-aggression pact on 23rd August 939 for 10 years. So this pact revealed the imperialist attitude of both the states. Because Eastern Europe was partitioned into German and Russian sphere. So in this situation, the Polish government invited Germany for discussion, but Hitler clearly refused it. So here started a propaganda, you can tell, a change of the situation, where Hitler had totally noticed how the Polish government had entered into the negotiations with Britain. And Hitler was now convinced that Britain and France would not risk any intervention in Poland because Russia would remain neutral for non-aggression pact, and as it was not getting any support of Russia also, so Hitler was very much convinced that no one is going to interfere into this region. Next, so after this you will study the aggressive policy of Italy, then Corfu incident, not so important. Corfu incident, you can read it. Annexation of Abyssinia, point wise it is there, you read it. Annexation of Abyssinia. Then you will read the Spanish Civil War. What is the Spanish Civil War? Constitutional monarchy in Spain under King Alfonso was not very efficient. So in 1929, General Rivera seized the power in bloodless coup. The people supported dictatorship of the fear of Bolshevik revolution. But Spanish Civil War, this much big note will not come. Okay, so you prepare yourself for short dates, leader's name, events name, these all type of questions you are prepared with. Then you all study the Anglo-French appeasement policy. You study the meaning, why Chamberlain adopted this Anglo-French appeasement policy. Then you all are studying war in Europe, war in Africa, and Japan, how entered into the war and how America entered into the war, the reasons, Pearl Harbor incident, and how America won, and reasons of the defeat of the Axis powers, what was various reasons. These all you read, these are important parts. Okay students, significance of the victory in the war in Africa, this you have to study, this you study. And then attack on Russia you study. So these all are the few important features which you have. So I have given you notes also over this lesson. Maximum of the notes are given which will help you out. Okay, so you all study those, and if any doubts and queries are there, please ask me in the live class also, or you can ask me on my phone also. So don't hesitate to ask any doubts and queries. Please ask it. Okay, while you are studying, you please ask. If you are not asking, this means you are not studying at all. So ask me doubts. If you are asking me doubt, that means you are studying at home. Teacher understands that you are studying, student is studying. So ask me doubts. Any doubts and queries are there, please don't hesitate to ask me. Okay students, so best of luck for your exam. Prepare yourself with chapter 1 and World War II, and prepare for 1 marks, 2 marks questions. Okay, 3 marks, 1 or 1 question, that also you can easily type, so don't take tension. Typing pattern answers will be there, you will not get any file upload. All you can short answers with dates and all I will ask, so you can type and answer it also there. Okay students, so best of luck. So we are going to meet in the live class today. If any doubt and queries, please ask me there, and there also not, so give me a phone call and ask. Don't wait. Okay, don't wait till your exam date. Any doubts come, please call me. Okay, thank you students. And today you are going to get your Google form link questions. Solve those also. So it is a pattern of your examination which you are going to do. Unit test. Examination means unit test which you are going to do. the pattern. So I will give you today a link also in Google form. So answer those. Thank you.